Please read. This is an interview of a candidate from Kottayam. This candidate has done only BSc Mathematics. Perhaps he or she was attending for clerical interview. Please read.
Punapra Vayalar, as I am from Punapra, how mathematics is beneficial in banking. And cross questions like banking is not really about numbers, so how will you adjust? Gap year questions, they were really harsh about me spending a year on banking preparation. Any other interviews you have attended? Banking is a service sector, and then why is it that aspirants are reluctant to enter banks like Kotak Mahindra or HDFC?
What is the
What
answer you will? What is the answer you will give for this? Perhaps you don't know. What is the answer? Why you are not interested in going to Kotak Mahindra? Because the salary offered is very low. The
um
terms and conditions are not that very favorable as it is with our federal bank. Okay,
uh,
continue.
what is digital banking? Said that they don't want its definition. Debit card and what transactions are they applicable to? Are you ready to relocate?
Continue.
Uh, Hyderabad 4th November. Original batch was Kolkata, but since I'm working in Amazon at Hyderabad, I chose Hyderabad as a center. BCom degree, clerk, introduction. Why here in Hyderabad? About my role at Amazon. What are the difficulties I face at workplace? What made motivated me to apply at Federal? How do you act at Federal? Since I got to know about the opportunity from a branch manager, they asked the name and address of the branch. They asked why banking and not Amazon. Since I was from Army school, they asked me why not Army. CRR, SLR, repo. Difference between repo and bank rate. Interest rate in federal, NPA, family background. Do you speak Telugu? Then they asked me to sell a board in English, Hindi, Bengali, Assamese. Since I know these four languages, my notice period, my CTC at Amazon, willing to relocate. Also, they asked about two things that you feel you should improve in yourself.
This candidate was selected as a clerk. Continue.
Arunima BSc Physics Clerk Interview Trivandrum 4/11/2023 time 2:30 p.m. Introduce yourself about family, why banking, different types of loans, different deposits accounts, digital products of Federal Bank, KYC, greatest achievement in life, pros and cons of reservation, Nepal issue, any current affairs, President of USA, Presidents of India.
5 presidents of India.
5 presidents of India.
This is not required. Kottayam finance taxation. Then civil engineering not required. Hyderabad not required. Sabarish clerk. I am waiting for some mathematics, agriculture. Then what is this? Rajalakshmi, Chennai. Please read. This candidate was selected. Please read.
There were two male interviewers. Tell me about yourself, about Puducherry, your favorite subject in commerce, why people switching to online banking, pros and cons. CRR, SLR, what are uncertainties that can be happened in bank about family, inflammation and its rate?
Huh?
How are
What?
inflation, inflation,
What did you read?
inflammation. Sorry.
Inflammation means what? Inflammation means so the from
Swelling
pain.
of
Swelling. Yeah, your father is a doctor? No.
no, sir, I was a biology student back
That
in
is,
school.
that is why you are reading that. Inflation and its
In
rate. Come on.
inflation and its rate, how RBI could control inflation if bank don't get loans from RBI? How many districts in Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu finance minister. Have you visited Federal Bank? Where are you having your bank account? What you saw in Federal Bank? What is the difference you could see in your bank and Federal Bank? How you want to see yourself? Uh, I'm I'm next 5 years. What made you to choose banking? Anyone in your family is a banker. Will you relocate? They were friendly and I came over my fear with the help of Sambashivam sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance.
Good.
Interview was about 20 minutes.
Then
Current
current is
ratio.
uh,
No, they asked how RBI control if bank don't borrow money from RBI. Demonetization will not work. Reverse repo rate. Okay. Chennai batch 11:30 interview at 1:30 to 1:45. Self intro about hobbies BRS CAGR. Tell me about RBI. Union Minister of Personal and Grievance Redressal. Schedules of bank accounts, liability side of the balance sheet, example of intangible assets, amortization, how you have do you have a debit card and how many digits are there. RBI can control inflation by open market auction, that is selling or buying government bonds and securities to or from common people. BRS CAGR bank reconciliation statement. CAGS schedules of bank accounts. Bank accounts in BCom schedule 1 capital schedule 2 reverse up to schedule 16. Compound annual growth, which means the annual growth of long-term investment. Is this saving account rate? Is this saving account rate, sir? What is your degree? BCom. Okay.
thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for your reading so many questions.
Oh,
Best wishes. So
thank
please
you.
go through like this material. You may get some bank